Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Unified Pension Scheme for Central Government Employees. The Finance Ministry has notified the operationalization of the Unified Pension Scheme for Central Government Employees effective from 1st April 2025. This new scheme will be an option under the existing national pension system and will guarantee retirement benefits for employees. Before we proceed, we have an announcement to make. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce new batches of IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. Classes for English medium are starting from 17th February and for Hindi medium, the classes are starting from 21st February. For more information, call 87501-87501. Let's discuss the key features of the Unified Pension Scheme. The UPS will provide 50% of the average basic pay drawn by the employee during the 12 months prior to retirement, provided they complete 25 years of service. For employees with less than 25 years but more than 10 years of service, a proportionate pension will be provided based on the duration of their service. The scheme will be operationalized on 1st April 2025 for central government employees covered under the National Pension System. The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority will issue regulations for the operationalization of the UPS. Let's now discuss the background and approval. The Union Cabinet approved the new pension policy on 24th August 2024 following requests from central government staff unions for guaranteed retirement benefits. The scheme was developed after discussions under the joint consultative machinery and the establishment of a high-level committee led by T.V. Somanathan to review the existing new pension scheme. The move follows grievances from central government employees regarding the new pension scheme and demands for guaranteed retirement benefits. Some states with opposition parties in power had already reverted to the old pension scheme, which had put a financial strain on government resources. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which of the following is true about the employees eligible for the Unified Pension Scheme? The UPS is only applicable to employees with 10 years of service. Employees with less than 10 years of service are eligible for a full pension. The UPS provides full pension to all employees regardless of their service years. Or employees must have completed at least 25 years of service for full pension. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.